RGB backlight mode for flipperzero. Welcome back to Take Apart. Fellas, it's time to modify hardware. This is my transparent limited edition flipperzero, and yes, I'll be installing RGB display backlight mode to make my flipperzero even more different from ordinary white version. So for this mode we will need this tiny PCB with little SMD components. You can get it from PCBWay. PCBWay is the place you need for designing and creating your projects. They have it all and for affordable prices. Get your PCBs, PCBAs, CNC or even 3D printing done and shipped worldwide. Make sure to use my referral link linked in description. Also, you can just grab existing community projects like for example these for flipperzero. This is precisely made PCB with 2 main terminals and 1 control terminal. It has 5 SMD LEDs that will allow backlight to glow with any color. So this PCB is located below the display in this area. So let's start. Turn off the flipper, remove SD card. I am using 32GB Kingston SD card. And remove 4 Phillips head screws located on the back of the flipperzero. Now gently open the flipper. Oh yeah. Next, we have 3 screws holding sandwich of PCB in front case. So remove and now disconnect the battery, just like so. Let's move on to this orange SD card frame. It will also free up the battery cable. Next to the display is little clip. Pry it off and disconnect large ribbon cable in order to separate 2 main PCBs. Be careful, as ribbon is fed through plastic frame holding battery. Here we go. This we don't need, and let's focus on this main PCB with display. I will remove ribbon entirely as I don't want to damage it. Also, I'll disconnect display ribbon, same lift to unlock. Next, 2 Phillips head screws, couple of clips, and black display frame with buttons can be detached. Here we go. Don't worry, all will work again. Well, at least my one will. I'll put display ribbon out of the connector, and next is to heat up these 2 solder nipples, as these nipples are backlight main terminals. So let's do it. Be careful and do not melt anything with soldering iron. You will have to pull on display and desolder those nipples at the same time. Yeah, what a job! Under the display is white sheet of plastic glued to the PCB and display itself. So gently pull, it will come apart. Oh boy, I can't wait to put it together. Let's remove that white sheet entirely, and here you can see factory backlight PCB. It's white color and it has 3 orange LEDs. Here is new RGB one next to it. It should be better. Let's solder on piece of the cable to the little control terminal, this little gold pad on the very end. I'm using smallest cable I found. Just use smallest and most flexible cable you have and solder it on. Orientation is key, so I'll bend it to run horizontal. Now, new RGB PCB can be inserted into the display slot. LEDs facing up, just like so. Wonderful mod. Let's stick back on that white sheet and install display back on the main flipper PCB. Backlight terminals will have to be pushed through, so time to heat up the nipples again. And I'll add bit of a solder to create proper connection. Display should be aligned with this white line. You might see artifacts on display, but they should disappear. Now, let's route the cable to the back. Connect display ribbon to the connector and lock it. Control cable has to be soldered onto the Vibro gold pad located next to GPIO connector. Little solder here and cable can be soldered like so. Take your time as shit is tiny. Here, one more look and I will tuck cable under the display ribbon. Looks good. I'll secure it with insulation tape and we'll have to do one more thing. Short negative backlight terminal with ground. Luckily, ground pad is next to the nipple, so I'll just scratch small area and short it with nipple using solder, just like so. And another insulation tape to cover my trace. Perfect. At this point, I can start assembling my flipperzero back together. Ribbon cable back in, following by black display and buttons. Frame, click in and screw through screws. Test buttons and feed ribbon through the battery frame. Connect it up like so. Connect battery, flipper will turn on. Don't panic, as backlight is not working yet. It needs firmware upgrade. Install orange SD card frame, it will click on place. Next, it can go in front cover and screw on 3 screws. Then, cover it up with back cover and screw in 4 screws. Done. Let's install SD card, turn it back on, and I'll install RGB version of Unleashed firmware. All main firmwares have a version for RGB mode, so if you're using any other firmwares, you should be fine. Mine is called Unleashed 075R. Make sure to subscribe. Display backlight will turn on just about now. It is such a good news, as until now I had no idea if it would work. But hey, all is fine. I can go menu, settings, LCD and notifications, and here change LCD color. Oh yeah! Few preset colors, and also I can create custom one. Let's see. Orange, yellow, spring, lime, aqua, cyan, probably my favorite, azure, blue, purple, magenta, pink, red, white, and custom that can be adjusted by these. Back to cyan, as it will go well with color of my gloves. 100% coolest mod for flipperzero. So all done, thanks for watching and see you next time.